Hello guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to do another unboxing video, and this time I have this Captain America's shield, and this is not an ordinary toy shield, it's a keychain. Now let's see this shield. It says here Captain America, and here's a picture of Captain America here, and as you can see there are some warnings. Some parts are made to detach if excessive force is applied and are designed to be reattached if separation occurs. That's enough reading for now. Now, why don't we unbox it? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Oh yes, here is the shield. Oh, it looks like a pen. You see, it looks like a pen. But still, it's very nice. I was wondering if I could have that Thor's hammer keychain that I love very much. Oh wait, here it is, the hammer. Now we're gonna make a fight. Here, take that, Thor. Woo! Captain America's shield wins. Anyway, that's all I can do right now. See you in the next video.